everybody, Mark again with Crank Cycles. Got a build that we're doing for you today. Got a Santa Cruz Bullit. It's their new e-bike, if you didn't know. This is the S build, and yeah, let's just get to it. Boy, that was a fun build. All right, bunch of cool stuff with this bike. Have you seen the lavender? A couple extra things to highlight. This super cool carbon bar, clean internal routing. You got the Fox 38 up front, brand new, matching super good graphics. You got the brand new Shimano EP8 motor, plenty of torque, good software with it. Also, 29 up front, 27.5 out back. Santa Cruz is calling it MX or mixed. We call it a mullet. You know, party in the back, business in the front. Remember the 80s? Come on, some of you do. All right, I'm Mark. We're with Crank Cycles. That was Service Sunday. Ride with Aloha.